If you're planning to catch a flight soon, stop. Before you pack your bags, let's talk about travel outfits to not wear to the airport. Trust me, what you wear can make or break your travel experience. From airport security struggles to unexpected discomfort on long-haul flights, the wrong outfit choices can lead to unnecessary stress. But don't worry, I'm here to save you from those fashion mistakes. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and tricks. Number 1. Uncomfortable and tight clothes. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is wearing tight, restrictive clothing. Sure, skinny jeans or a body-hugging outfit might look stylish, but the reality? You'll regret it once you're stuck in a cramped airplane seat for hours. Tight jeans can cut off circulation, making you feel stiff and uncomfortable. If your flight is long, sitting in the same position in restrictive clothing can lead to swelling in your legs. Fitted tops, corsets, or bodycon dresses might look great in photos, but they make simple tasks like reaching for your bag or adjusting in your seat a struggle. Another issue is synthetic fabrics, which trap heat and sweat, making long flights even more unbearable. Instead, go for loose, breathable clothing made from soft fabrics like cotton or linen. Oversized sweaters, flowy dresses, or comfy joggers can be just as stylish, while giving you the flexibility and comfort you need for a smooth travel experience. Number 2. Complicated shoes. We've all seen that one person at security struggling to take off their knee-high boots while holding up the entire line. Don't be that person. Wearing shoes that are difficult to remove is one of the worst outfit mistakes you can make at the airport. Lace-up boots, strappy heels, or anything that requires too much effort to take off and put back on can slow you down during security checks. You might be rushing to your gate, and the last thing you need is an unnecessary delay because of complicated footwear. Instead, wear comfortable slip-on sneakers, loafers, or even stylish travel sandals that provide support while being easy to remove. If you're traveling in colder weather, opt for ankle boots with zippers or comfortable walking shoes that won't make airport security a nightmare. Number 3. Too many layers or heavy jackets. Layering is smart for travel, but overdoing it can be a disaster. Bulky coats, thick sweaters, or too many layers will only make security checks more stressful. Imagine having to remove multiple layers of clothing, juggle your carry-on, and rush through TSA, all while standing in a long line of impatient travelers. Not fun. Not only that, but once you're inside the plane, heavy fabrics can make you overheat, especially if the flight is packed. Airplane cabins tend to have fluctuating temperatures, so dressing in multiple thick layers will only make you sweat uncomfortably. A better approach is to wear lightweight layers that you can easily adjust. A simple cardigan, a light jacket, or a breathable hoodie works perfectly. If you're traveling to a cold destination, carry a compact, packable jacket that won't take up too much space in your bag. Number 4. Offensive or inappropriate clothing. Yes, personal style is important, but remember that airports are public spaces with travelers from different cultures and backgrounds. Wearing offensive, controversial, or overly revealing clothing can attract unwanted attention and even lead to issues with airline staff. Clothing with explicit language, offensive graphics, or political statements may not be well received by airport authorities or fellow passengers. Some airlines even have dress codes and can deny boarding if they find your outfit inappropriate. Similarly, overly revealing outfits like super short shorts, sheer tops, or crop tops that show too much skin might not be the best choice for travel. Not only can they make you feel uncomfortable in a crowded airport, but they also won't provide the warmth you need on a chilly plane. Choose travel-friendly outfits that balance style and comfort while keeping in mind that you'll be around a diverse group of people throughout your journey. Number 5. Too much jewelry and accessories. Wearing excessive jewelry or metal accessories might make you feel stylish, but at the airport, it's a recipe for frustration. Every time you pass through security, you'll have to remove anything metal, including bracelets, rings, necklaces, and watches. The more you wear, the longer the process takes, and no one wants to be that person holding up the line. Another issue with too many accessories is that they can easily get lost or tangled. If you're constantly removing and putting back on rings, earrings, or layered necklaces, there's a higher chance of misplacing them in the rush. To make your airport experience hassle-free, keep accessories minimal. Wear just 1 or 2 simple pieces, or pack your jewelry in your carry-on and put it on after you land. If you have to wear a belt, make sure it's easy to remove and put back on quickly. Number 6. Pajamas or sloppy clothing. Comfort is key when traveling, but that doesn't mean you should show up at the airport looking like you just rolled out of bed. Pajamas, baggy sweatpants, oversized hoodies with holes, or worn-out slippers may feel cozy, but they can give off a messy and unprepared impression. Air travel isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's an experience. You never know who you might run into at the airport, whether it's a business contact, an old friend, or even someone offering a flight upgrade. Airlines have been known to deny boarding to passengers who look too sloppy because they have dress codes in place. The key is to find a balance between comfort and style. Instead of full-on pajamas, go for stylish loungewear, a casual yet polished look like a soft matching set, or comfortable joggers paired with a fitted sweater. You'll feel cozy while still looking put together. Number 7. Perfume or strong fragrances. You might love your signature scent, but not everyone around you will. Strong perfumes, body sprays, or heavily scented lotions can be overwhelming in the enclosed spaces of an airplane. Some people are sensitive or even allergic to strong fragrances, and your perfume could make fellow passengers uncomfortable. Or worse, trigger headaches or allergic reactions. The best approach? Skip the strong scents before your flight. Instead, opt for lightly scented deodorants or fragrance-free skincare products to stay fresh without overwhelming those around you. If you really need a scent boost, pack a small, travel-sized perfume bottle and apply it sparingly after landing. Number 8. Shorts or skimpy outfits. You might be flying to a tropical paradise, but the airport and airplane are not the place for shorts, miniskirts, or crop tops. Airplanes are typically cold due to the air conditioning, and if you're wearing something too short or exposing too much skin, you'll be shivering the entire flight. Not only that, but skimpy outfits can make sitting on public seats uncomfortable. Airplane seats, airport benches, and security bins aren't the cleanest places. Wearing longer pants or leggings can provide a barrier between your skin and potentially germy surfaces. Instead of tiny shorts, go for lightweight joggers, comfortable leggings, or even a midi dress that provides enough coverage while keeping you cool. If you really love shorts, bring a light cardigan or shawl to keep warm on the plane. Number 9. Clothing with too many pockets. Cargo pants, jackets with endless zippers, or multi-pocket vests might seem like a practical choice for carrying your essentials, but they can make airport security a nightmare. Every extra pocket means an extra place to check for items before security, making the process longer and more stressful. TSA agents may ask you to empty your pockets completely, and if you have too many, you'll be fumbling around trying to remove everything while keeping track of your belongings. This also increases the risk of accidentally leaving something important behind, like your passport or phone. Instead, wear something with a few secure, easily accessible pockets. A simple hoodie with 1 or 2 pockets, or pants with a safe zippered section will be much more practical. If you need extra storage, a small crossbody bag or belt bag is a better option for keeping essentials handy. Number 10. Ill-fitting or brand new clothes. Wearing something brand new for the first time on a travel day can be risky. New clothes, especially shoes, haven't been broken in yet and might cause discomfort. Tight seams, stiff fabrics, or shoes that haven't been tested for long walks can leave you regretting your outfit choice mid-trip. Similarly, clothes that don't fit properly, whether too loose or too tight, can be annoying to deal with at the airport. Oversized pants that constantly fall down, or a dress that needs constant adjusting will just add to your stress. The best approach is to wear tried and tested outfits that you already feel comfortable in. If you want to wear something new, test it out before your travel day to make sure it fits well and won't cause any unexpected discomfort. And there you have it. These were the travel outfits to not wear to the airport. Hopefully, now you know exactly what not to wear for a smooth and comfortable journey. What's the worst airport outfit mistake you've ever made? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, fashion advice, and packing hacks. And of course, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.